This is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our heads? Can't help it, let the jagged edges beat the lightest.